Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel, and in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can very easily enable voice control on your iPhone. Please friends, subscribe to the channel, make sure to put your likes under the video, and write your comments after watching. So friends, let us get into this topic. And first of all, you're going to need to open up the settings on your iPhone. And then scroll down a little bit and go to a setting called Accessibility. Then in Accessibility, also swipe down and in the menu, you can easily find Voice Control. Open it up. And you'll need to turn it on. Across from Voice Control, just click the button. If this is your first time enabling voice control, then you may need to go to a slightly different menu and click Continue here. And then Agree. So you're activating voice control. And let's say if I give my iPhone the command Open Instagram. As you can see, this application immediately opens. And in this way, you can control some apps and commands on your phone. Unfortunately, a little less features and voice control than Siri, but still, it is very handy and cool thing on your iPhone. Also friends, I encourage you to go back to Accessibility part and find the side button here. And you can customize the side button, which is this power button right here, so that when you press it and hold it down, you'll get this kind of voice control. So I'll show you how it works. You press the power button and hold it down. And you get voice control like this. If I say Open Instagram, then you can see that it also opens the Instagram app. This is a very handy feature, friends, and it saves you a lot of time so you don't have to press a bunch of buttons unnecessarily. So if you don't have time, if you're comfortable controlling your phone with your voice, then I recommend you to connect voice control. Friends, I really hope this video helped you and you saw how you can easily enable voice control on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes, write comments, and see you soon.